you again. And as you can see, I have made some changes to my team. Not much changes. I've only put Company and what's his name, Alexis Sanchez. Not the upgraded version because I couldn't afford this. But today, I know you can't see it because my face cam, but we have 180k, and we are going to be doing a mini pack opening. So let's see if there's any special packs. I don't know, they're probably in. Oh, there's 15k packs, so I'm going to be opening a couple of these. It's going to be kind of a short pack opening because I don't have that much money, but we just have to hope we get something good. So this is the first pack. Kane, that's actually decent. Kane's actually a really good player. I know he didn't go for all. Let's start him into club. Let's get all these contracts. But yeah, moving on to the second pack. Second pack. Ooh, come on, please. Skip. Oh. Two Brazil legends, actually. That was actually a good pack. I'm actually surprised. My pack look isn't being... Wait, how do I... Extend... Wait, I don't open packs that much. One sec. I'm actually being a stupid now. Oh, well, there it goes. Third pack, guys. Ooh, come on. No skip. Oh my gosh. Let's. Oh my gosh, that's actually. Yeah. Oh wait, his pace is actually quite a lot. It actually doesn't seem as much as a bad player as I thought it was gonna be. Let's actually look how much he goes for. He's probably gonna go for nothing. No, not really. 1k-ish. Wait, what pack's this? I think this is the fourth pack. Please here. Come on, let's go. Skip. What? No, their gold players. That was the worst pack so far. Come on here. Come on. Fifth pack. Right, I'm not going to skip it. Come on, Ronaldo. In form, let's go. In form. Oh my gosh, I actually just packed in form, guys. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh, as if, let's go, please, yes. That's made my day. 18 keys, 14k, discard price. But still, I'm putting him in the club. Yes, guys. Yes, that's made my day. Sixth pack, the last pack we got it in form. Right, I'm just gonna skip it. Oh, Torres. Totti. Wait, does he go for like a lot of money? I'm gonna look like an idiot if he doesn't. 9k. I want that inform Robin, even though I'm never ever gonna get him in my life. Oh my gosh. Another. He was in form, I think. Oh, he was in form not long ago. Damn it, man. We have 88k left. Oh, come on. I've lost count extra packs. I'm gonna not skip it, that guy is... he's just getting quick sold. He's just terrible. Honestly, he's just is. Oh, we got the Manchester badge. Oh, kit, that's a nice kit. I'm getting that kit. Come on, I need that kit. Oh, we'll get rid of this kit. I'm not a big fan of that kit. I don't even know why I have it. So yeah, we got the Man City home kit, which is pretty dope. Come on here. Come on. Show us your love. Come on. Oh, I don't think he goes for anything at all. He goes for like 1k, I'm pretty sure. Damn it. honestly, guys, I don't really open a lot of packs, but I'm actually liking these packs. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. These in these chemistry styles, if you get a hunter, that hunter one goes for like 10k, which is ridiculous. Like, I don't know why it goes for so much, but it's just ridiculous. Oh, I've run out of packs. I'm going to have to open some 7.5k packs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Damn it. Spurs kit. That's an awful kit actually. I'm just going to discard that. Nothing again. Oh my gosh, come on here. Another pack. Come on, please. Skip. Oh, that was awful. I saw that. I just saw that. Damn it. And by the way, guys, the good thing about packs is it's ridiculous how many player contracts you get. And like fitness, it just helps so much with your team. Come on. Come on. Come on! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on. 19k left. Nearly at the... No! No! No, this is fake. This is fake. Get lost. Get lost. No, 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 no. I don't feel well. I don't... I'm scared what I'm going to discard him. No. I don't feel well, guys. No. It's fake. It's... Look, guys. Watch. Guys. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oh my gosh. Please, please, God, no. Why? Oh my gosh. What? Let's go. I don't... Oh my gosh. I don't... Oh my God. Oh. I still have some more packs to go. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know what to say. Like, I just can't get my words out. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, get off it. In from David Silva. I'm not even bothered what we get. We can't even complain. We started with 180k. Now we've finished with 400k. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think you already know it's not fake, but no, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't even get how I did that. I think I might put him there instead of Shirley. Sorry, Shirley. Oh my gosh, guys, I am not happier. Inform David Silva less. And inform commons. Right. Oh my gosh, please, just. That is, I don't even know what to say. Inform David Silva. I'm hyped. I just packed in from David Silva, guys. But this is going to be it for this video, and see you in the next.